Oh, I should have been heading off to the lakes today. All packed, but the rain last night was absolutely terrible. Kept me awake. I was supposed to be getting the train at 6 o'clock to Windermere, the bus at 7:08 to Old Dungeon Ghyll, and have a day of lovely, relaxing photography. But I sacked it off when I could hear the rain. I was listening to it for ages. But now, when I look outside, it looks good. Anyway, there's always tomorrow. I just remembered the bucket on the table. And I forgot to put it on last night. Oh no. Oh no. Look at that. I hope that's not ruined. I have to dry that off. That is why I've got that scaffolding outside. Sort that leak out. Bastard. I hope this isn't ruined. It'll be 30 quid down the drain. It's that old saying, it never rains, but it pours. I knew there was something last night when I went to bed that I'd forgotten to do. And that was put the bucket on the table. I said to myself, Owen, put the bucket on the table. And I forgot. We're making a little makeshift studio on this table to do some macro photography. I'm going to build myself or buy myself a little light box. I don't know. Right, there's a bucket on the table. When will it ever end? Thank God for that. Sort these speaker cables out. But that's for another day. I don't think I'll be doing that today. I'm not in the mood for any fiddly faffing. I don't know if you're the same, but start a job and move on to something else before I get it complete. I'll do that maybe tonight because I'm editing a video. I just got up, doing a bit of editing, get myself a brew, and I might wander to Morecambe and do some more blurry photography. I don't know. See what happens. I don't have to do it today because I'm single and there's nobody to get on me back. Haven't you done that? You've been doing that then? Hey, you know what I mean? Clouding up though. Is it worth getting on that bus and heading to Morecambe? I might text old Pike and see what he's doing. He wants to go for a brew. I don't fancy having a beer. I had a visit from Mr. T yesterday. He brought these walking books back that I lent him. He's had them for ages, but I never said out. Anyway, he brought them back, and he met Mrs. Herman-Chinsky next door, who was putting a bird table in the front garden. And there was a good bit of banter flying around, but I couldn't film it because I had hold of my granddaughter and I didn't have my camera on me. But Mrs. Herman-Chinsky, she told me, Owen, I don't want to be on the internet. So I wouldn't have been able to do it anyway. Yeah, Mr. T and Mrs. Herman-Chinsky chatting away. So I'm currently editing a video which is going to be called Tipsy. But by the time you see this, if you watch my channel, You'll have already seen that. Maybe not. I haven't put a planning order together yet. It's a good little hobby to have. Photography, video making and video editing. Brilliant. I've spent hours in here editing, messing around on this computer, and I can honestly say I've enjoyed every second of it. Fantastic. Let's have a look. Well done, son. Well done, son. 91.4 was almost 96.